this is a radio controlled track dump truck I've been working on. Saw one in real life a couple times and they're pretty cool, so decided to make my own. This is how I did it. It's got like little suspension things here, little articulating, and these are TPU, so they're squishy so they absorb. The tracks are printed kind of like, they're kind of like ski ride tracks, so I kind of model them off of that. But uses these 550 motors and all brushed so far. It's got a belt drive system in here. These belts are too small, so I'm gonna have to, they skip even when they're under great tension, so I'm gonna have to find some with bigger cogs and just bigger for driving. The rest of the transmissions are good, but just one problem. As you can see, it's pretty big.